Hi, good morning, all of you. My name is Abdul Rahman. My father's name is Mahab Pasha. My mother's name is Shahin Taj. My father is a merchant. My mother is a housewife. I am studying second class. I am 8 years old. My school name is Bharat English Medium High School. My native place is Bikotakota. Today my topic is worship places. In our India there are different religious people. They have different places to worship God. Temple Hindus go to temple to pray. Hindus holy book is Ramayana. There is a prayer called Pujari. Muslims go to mosque to pray. Muslims offer in mosque. Muslims holy book is the mosque. Muslims holy book is Bible. Church. Christians go to church to pray. Christians holy book is Bible. Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib. Sikhs go to Guru Granth Sahib to worship us. Sikhs go to Gurudwara. Sikhs go to Guru Granth Sahib. Thank you all.